The Dacia Sandero III, produced since 2021, uses service reminders for essential maintenance tasks like oil changes. Resetting these reminders after completing service work clears the alerts and ensures that future notifications remain accurate. This video guides you through the process, which has remained consistent across all models as of 2026. Performing this reset helps you keep track of when future maintenance is needed and is a quick, easy task you can do yourself. Your car tracks mileage and time using the ECU, or engine control unit. This central computer monitors various sensors throughout the vehicle. Default intervals are pre-programmed into the system. For example, an oil change might be scheduled every 12,000 kilometers or 12 months, whichever comes first. Resetting tells the system the service is complete, preventing early alerts from appearing on your dashboard. Note, always reset after service to comply with warranty terms. Before resetting the service info on your Dacia Sandero III, proper preparation is essential to ensure a smooth process. First, park your Dacia Sandero III safely and engage the handbrake to prevent any movement during the procedure. Next, turn on the ignition, but do not start the engine. This powers up the vehicle's systems without running the motor. Finally, ensure the vehicle's battery has sufficient charge. A low battery can cause the system to freeze or interrupt the reset procedure. Begin by using the steering wheel buttons or the touchscreen to access the infotainment system. Navigate through the menus to find options such as Vehicle, Settings, or Maintenance. Then find the Service or Trip Computer submenu to proceed with the reset options. From there, select Reset Service Info or Reset to Defaults to initiate the reset. Finally, confirm the action. You may need to hold a button for 5 to 10 seconds to complete the reset and prevent mistakes. After confirming, the instrument cluster will display Service Reset or a similar confirmation message with a checkmark. Restart the vehicle to verify the reset was successful. The service reminder should now be cleared. If the service info reset fails, it could indicate deeper issues like a faulty sensor or a pending ECU error code. For diesel engines, extra steps may be needed for DPF regeneration reminders. Advanced infotainment systems in 2024-2026 models might require a dealer reset if the service intervals are factory set and non-editable. Digital dashboards are increasingly common in modern vehicles, like the Dacia Sandero III. Dacia's My Dacia app, launched in 2024, allows remote resets from your smartphone. By 2030, expect AI-integrated systems that automate resets through predictive maintenance using sensor data for real-time alerts. Future electric vehicles may eliminate physical resets entirely, favoring cloud-based updates for seamless maintenance. Mechanics recommend resetting only after servicing to maintain vehicle health and avoid warranty disputes. Always verify service intervals with your dealer. Resetting service info is generally user-friendly. Surveys show high success rates for owners performing resets themselves. Remember safety and consult your Dacia manual.